Hello guys, in today's lecture we will learn about the operators, if else, and the number system. First of all, we start with the assignment operator. So what is an assignment operator? Like if we want to assign something, like we assign 5 to the A. So on the right hand side we use the operand value, on the left hand side we use the operand. Means like on the right hand side we use the 5, and on the left hand side we use the operand which is an A. Like if we can see in the this, if int A equal to 5, then there is no error. If we write 5 equal to A, then there was an error, because in the mathematics we can write we can interchange the position, and the meaning remains the same. But in the Java or programming, there is a specific way. Like if we used to uh, place operand on the left sides and the operand value on the right hand side, and the equal to here is an assignment operator that assign 5 value to the A. And now create a program to swap two numbers. So we write a program for creating, like int v equal to 6, and if we want to swap, then we have to name a temporary variable first, then we assign a value of A, so the value of A doesn't get lost. Now we assign the value of B into the A, and B equal to 10. And now we print the value of before swapping and after swapping. So it is a before swapping. A equal to B, and we write after swapping. Now we can see the result. Like before swapping, A equal to 5 and B equal to 6, and after swapping, A equal to 6 and B equal to 4. So the challenge is done. Arithmetic operator like plus, minus, multiply, and divide, these are the same, but there is some changes. Like I would like to show you. We will print the addition, multiplication, and the division. This shows the a plus b is this, and a minus b is minus 1. Why they correspond to 0? Because we use into the, if we interchange the integer with the float value, then there is a change in value. Like the value comes in the floating value, then the answer comes in the point in the divide section. Like you can see their answer is 0.8333. And now we learn about the modulus. Modulus, like in general, we if we divide something, then it remains the remainder in the general mathematics. So the modulus operator is work on the same way. It gives the remainder to us. Like if we divide the modulus A, then there is a remainder 1. So we can see the answer is 1. Order of operations is same as the math. Like first we use the first of all we with reference to the bracket, then the order, then the divide, then the multiply, then adding subtraction. Like it goes from like in this way. If the like the plus and minus have the same weight, and the division and the multiplication have the same weight, so if they are um, simultaneously in the line divide and multiply, then we give the order in the direction from left to the right. And the shorthand operation are used to simplify our task. Like if we want to add a value, if we want to add few values in the a, then we will write like this, plus 6. So it is a very difficult task. So if you want to shorten this, then we can simple write a plus equal to 4. It works on the same as the SOUT. It works same as the above. Like the value of a is 5, then we add 5, then we add 6, then we add 4. So the final outcome is equal to 20. Here you can see. Similarly, there is operators for the minus and multiply and divide. And after the um, uh, there is a unary operator like minus and pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment. Like if we have to increase or decrease by 1, so we can use these things. Like the value of a is 20. If we want to decrease it, then we can use a minus minus, then SOUT a, then we will get the value 19. If we use here a minus minus, then it's still 19, because but if we uh, give out after this, then there comes a different value. Like there comes 18. It is known as the post increment. Like the value first can be printed, then after it will get changes. But in the pre increment or pre decrement, if we write minus minus 8, then it will first it shows the value, decremented value. Means here the decrement or increment done before, um, but in the post decrement, the increment or decrement done after. Here are few challenges like create a program that to takes two number and choose the result of. We have already done it. Create a program to calculate the product of calculating. We have already done it. Like we have to create a parameter of rectangle. So in this simply we have to add all these things and create a program to calculate the area of a triangle. So this is something we can write. So first of all, area we need, like we can take input in it. um, scanner scanner equal to new scanner system put in first. Then we take the input like a So UT and base equal to scanner dot next and SOUT and height be equal to scanner dot next and so area equal to A into B divided by 2 rise area equal to enter base we enter base like if we enter 4 and enter height equal to 6 then the area comes to 12. We create a program to calculate this simple interest like in this we have to take three different values and divided by 100. The in compound interest there is also a formula. These are the same. Now we move towards the if and else and we will done in the next part.